Hi dear students. So we have a new question in front of you. This is from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. So this is one of the good question that came for NEET. I hope you could see the question. I will just read the question. Okay. The rate of the reaction 2N2O5 getting converted to 4NO2 plus O2 can be written in three ways. That is d by dt of concentration of N2O5 is equal to rate constant times concentration of N2O5, and d by dt of concentration of NO2 is equal to K dash into concentration of N2O5, and d by dt of concentration of O2 is equal to K double dash concentration of N2O5. The relationship between K dash and K double dash. So if you see, they are asking the relationship between K and K dash and then between K and K double dash. This is what the question is. So this is from the fundamentals actually, this question. So let's write the equation. The rate of disappearance of the reactants, we know that it is equal to the rate of formation of products. So how I can write? So disappearance rate of disappearance of reactants is equal to the rate of formation of products. This we are learning initially itself, correct? Based on this fundamental only we are measuring the rate of formation of products. Okay. Now can you write what is the rate of disappearance of reactants? I can write it like the rate of disappearance of reactants can be written as minus, since it is reactant I should put minus 1 by 2, that is coefficient of N2O5, then d by dt, so d by dt of concentration of N2O5, correct, is equal to what? 1 by 4, correct. You need to take the coefficient of NO2 and keep it in the denominator. I have taught you. Okay. D by dt, this will become positive. Why? Because the products are always forming. So it is represented by positive symbol. D by dt of NO2, correct, which is equal to, we know that formation of two products are there. So d by dt of O2, correct. Now, in the question, they have already given what is d by dt of N2O5. If you see here, you could see that actually. Okay, what they have given, minus of d by dt. So if you see here, minus of d by dt of N2O5 is equal to k times N2O5. So what I can do, I can substitute that. So if I substitute, so this will become k by 1 by 2 will 1 by 2 will be there. Instead of minus d by dt of N2O5, I am substituting what actually, k into concentration of N2O5 from the given from the given terms. Now similarly, I can write d by dt of NO2. How I can write? I can write 1 by 4 k dash, correct, k dash N2O5. This is from which equation? From the second equation, correct. Now from the third one, what I can write, this is equal to d by dt of O2 is equal to k double dash N2O5, correct. Now if you compare the three, I can say N2O5 is a common factor, so that I can cancel off. So this is getting cancelled from everywhere. Now I can compare this. So they are asking you the relationship between what and all, k dash and k. So k dash and k. So I let me compare these two. So I can write k by 2 is equal to k dash by 4. So this will get cancels off. So I can write k dash is equal to 2 times k. Correct. Similarly, they are also asking you the relation between k double dash and k. So let me compare these two. I will take another color for your understanding. So these two they are asking you to compare. So I know that k by 2, correct, is equal to k double dash. So it's a direct thing. So k double dash is equal to how much it is coming? K by 2, correct. So let me see whether any options are there similar to that. So k double dash is equal to k by 2 and k dash is equal to 2k, correct? So option B, it's almost the same answer we have got. So option B is the correct answer. So I hope you understood the question. It's very simple, just clear, just a simple concept. The rate of disappearance of reactants is equal to rate of formation of the product. Then they have already given this rate of disappearance in terms of reactants everywhere from the whole three equations. Just to substitute that and identify the relation. That's it. Okay, so if you want to know more about the theory sessions and more questions, please join Brainiacs classes. You will get all detailed training. We have a very good result this year. More than a good number of students are scoring 600 plus. So you will be able to join the club next year. Thank you.